In this video, we are going to see how we can able to deploy .NET Core MVC application onto the IIS. So I have already created the IIS deploy solution. In this project, we have the boilerplate code which contains model views, controller folders, and the basic structure of the MVC. And this is controllers, and this folder is models, and this folder is for the views. So this is .NET Core 8.0 MVC project. So how we can able to deploy this one, we will see now. First, right click on this project file, and then click on this publish option. Here you can see there are a lot of options will be there to publish these things. So once you click on this new profile, you will be able to see we have Azure, Docker Content Registry, folder, FTP, web server, and import profiles. So in these options, we are going to choose this folder version. So once we choose this one, click on next, and then it will ask you for the choosing the location. For that, I am going to choose my D drive, where I can select this sites folder. Inside that one, I will create one more folder here, that is deploy. So in here I'm choosing this folder and click on OK, and then we click on finish, and it will create the publish profile. In this we have a target runtime portable, so I'm going to choose this portable to my platform, which is Windows 64 version, and then click on save. And then if I click on publish, I will be able to publish all this published version of this website into my folder. Here you can see the output, the build has been started. Once it is completed, we can able to see our published files into our folder. So as you can see, this web app was published successfully. So once we go there, this site/deploy folder, we can able to see all the published version of that website is available here. This is the DIL which runs on the execution. So we are going to choose IIS Express, IIS service, Internet Information Services. If it is already not, if you can't see this one in your search options, you are able to go to this feature manager here in the control panel, turn Windows features on or off. Once you click on that one, you will be able to see all these options. Initially, by default this Internet Information Service will not be checked, so you need to check this one to enable the Internet Information Services. Once you check all these things, you can able to click on OK. That will install all the dependent softwares on your system, and then once you search this Internet Information Services in the search bar, you can able to find this IIS manager. From there, we are going to create a website. Once you click on this add website, we need to give the site name. So I am choosing this deploy, and also we need to give the physical path that where we have published our file. So I'm going to choose this file, which is just now we have created a folder, and where we have published all our websites published files in here. So I'm choosing this one, and then we are going to choose the port number as well. By default it is 80, so I'm going to choose another folder for it, that is 8080 I'm choosing, and then click on OK. So that it will create this deploy site which we have given, and then here you can see browse 8080, that port number has been given here. So once we click on this one, it will opens up the site here. So as you can see, we have deployed the ASP.NET MVC site onto IIS server. So if you don't find, once you click on this one, if you don't find your website on this browser like this, you can able to check out one more software I will show it to you that I have pre-installed on my computer. Here you can see this .NET hosting bundle. Once you search for that .NET hosting bundle, so once you click on this one, the first link, this is .NET 6.0, and then you can choose the which platform you have been worked on, and what is the version of your project. Just from there you can able to download this .NET 6.0 that is hosting bundle. So once that is downloaded, you need to install that one, and then it will be deployed automatically onto your IIS server, and then you can able to see your website on your hosted on your IIS server. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.